If log base 10,000 of x equals to negative 1/4, then x is given by. In this equation, we have to solve for x. That is, we have to find the value of x. Okay, now let me take this equation as it is. That is log base 10,000 of x equals to negative 1/4. This equation is in logarithmic form. To solve for x, we have to convert this equation to exponential form. To convert this equation to exponential form, consider the logarithm along with the base 10,000 on the left side. It has to be moved to the right side. When I move this stuff to the right side, I have to ignore this logarithm. Consider only the base 10,000 on the right side. The value which already exists on the right side will become exponent of this base 10,000. Now we have only x on the left side. This 10,000 should be taken as base on the right side. This value should be taken as the exponent for this 10,000. Okay, now we have to simplify the value we have on the right side. This 10,000 can be written as 10 to the 4th power, whole to the power of negative 1/4. Here, a power is raised to another power. Whenever a power is raised to another power, we can multiply these two exponents. Then I'm getting 10 to the power of 4 multiplied by negative 1/4. So this 4 will cancel out. Then I'm getting x equals to 10 to the power of 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. In denominator, we have 1. It can be ignored. X equals to 10 to the negative first power can be written as 1/10. Here I got the value of x, that is 1/10. I find 1/10 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.